As you can see, it's all the dust that's coming from the heat exchanger. Okay, so we're gonna clean it up. See? We get that all cleaned up. Okay. So this is what we capture out of it. You can see this is the area of neglect not been clean, and we still have more on the inside that we're gonna have to clean out again. See? And that's all that was in the burner. Okay, so we're gonna get it clean up and we'll see the end result. As you can see, the ones at the top now clean. Pretty clean. See? So we get in there. Oh shit. Close up. That's all of that dirt that is in there. And still a little bit more to go, and we will get it all. Okay?
It makes sense why the thing is shutting down.
Yeah.
It's not even like we've
Now
had
you see
furnace issues before too.
All clean up. Nice and clean. There. So now everything is back together, and we have it running. As you can see, flames are staying where they're supposed to be because we clean out all that gunk. So now it's rolling. You can see your blue flame going up. So we're burning good. Okay. So for future reference, you can call me at Global Air 416-897-0179. Thank you. Have a good day.